children. I'm really proud of you because you've worked so hard this week on repeated addition and multiplication, and we've also been practicing counting in 2s, 5s and 10s. So I'm going to give you a little challenge now. I'm going to say some patterns and I want you to see if you can say the next number in my pattern. Okay, so it'll be my turn, your turn. So you've got to try and see which pattern I've chosen. Is it 2s, 5s or 10s, and then say the next number. Okay, here we go. I'll point to the numbers as I say them. Right, here's my first pattern. Here we go. 40, 50. Well done. Did you say 60? Fantastic. Here is another one coming up. 5, 10, 15. Well done. Did you say 20? What comes after 20 in that pattern? Well done. 25. Okay, there's one more coming up. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Your turn. Well done. It's 14, and after 14 we would go to 16. Brilliant. Now if you've got a grown-up sitting with you, you might like to have a little practice of some more patterns like that, where your grown-up starts the pattern and you carry on the pattern. So today we're going to practice our learning from this week. And as I said, we've been working really hard on our addition sums, and also we've had a little look at multiplication. So what we're going to do today is we're going to choose a sum, and the first sum that I've picked up is this one. It's a little one, so I'm going to write it nice and big for you, and it is 6 times 2. So let me write that on my board. Hope you can see it clearly, children. 6, let me just move my board that way a little bit. 6 times 2. I'm just going to have a look and just read this sum to myself. So 6 times 2, 6 lots of 2. Now, to help me find the answer to my sum, I'm actually going to write the addition that goes with it as well. So this sum is telling me that I need 6 lots of 2. So I need 2 6 times. Here I go. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, so let me just check. It said I need 6 lots of 2. Have I got 6 2s in my sum down here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fabulous. 6 2s at the bottom and 6 in my top sum. So I'm going to count them up now by counting in my pattern of 2s. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So my answer is 12, and of course, because I've written the multiplication and the addition sum, both of my answers are the same, because this sum is exactly the same as my sum underneath, but just uses a different sign, but it's also 6 lots of 2. So my answer is 12. So we've written the multiplication and the addition, both of which give us the same answer. Okay, let's choose another one. So I'm just going to clean the board as best I can. And the next one that I've picked up is 4 times 10. So let me write that down on my board. 4 times 10. Okay. Here I go. So I'm now going to turn this into an addition. So let me see what my sum tells me in the clues. It says I need 4 lots of 10. Okay, I need 10 4 times. Here I go. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Let's count in turns to find the answer. 10, 20, 30, 40. And so I'm going to pop 40 up at the top here for my multiplication calculation as well. So 4 lots of 10 are 40. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 40. So actually let's count as well on our fingers. If we wanted to, we could use our fingers to help us with this sum as well, because we know we want 4 lots of 10. So what I'm going to do with my fingers is actually turn them into tens. Okay, here I go, ready? 10, 20, 30, 40. Let me do that again, actually surely use different fingers. 10, 20, 30, 40. So I've stopped putting my fingers up after 4 and I turn my fingers into tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. 4 lots of 10. Well done. Now let's do one more. Okay. So this one I've picked up is 5 times 5. So 5 lots of 5. So let me think about this carefully. This one's a little bit more confusing because both of the numbers in the sum are 5s. So I need 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that is a long sum, isn't it? Let's just check I've got 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 5 lots of 5. Here I go, I'm going to count in 5s to find my total. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And to pop my answer after the equals. And so I know that 5 lots of 5 is 25. And I can put the same answer up here. Okay, so today, children, you're going to choose a multiplication and then you're going to try and write the sum with the addition sign to represent that sum as well. So you're writing the sum in 2 ways, but although we're writing 2 different sums, we're finding the same answer. Let's just do one more before I go. So this one I've chosen, I'm just going to choose one next to me down here. This one is 5 times 2. Let's write that on the board. 5 times 2. 5 multiplied by 2. So I need 5 lots of 2. 2, add 2, add 2, add 2, add 2. Let's add it up. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, oops, can't quite write my 0. And then 10 for my answer at the top. So 5 times 2 is 10. 2 add 2, add 2, add 2, add 2 is also 10. There we are. So children, we've had a really super week in maths. We've had a challenging week, so we've learnt a new sign. Okay, so just do your very best today and we look forward to seeing your work. Okay, well done children. Bye for now.